I like to look at attachment styles actually as attachment strategies. It's like through our interaction with others, especially early in life, we develop attachment strategies to help us get what we need from our caregivers or just to protect us when we don't get what we need or when we are even being harmed. It's really like a matter of survival. So the attachment strategies we have aren't actually static, but they're rather dynamic. We change and adapt with new relationships and experiences. So your present attachment strategy can look different depending on who you're interacting with, the context in which you are interacting with these people, and the state of being that you are in when you are actually interacting. But what can be helpful actually is to notice, what do you tend to do when you're interacting with a particular person or situation? Do you notice yourself suddenly avoiding or pulling away from the other emotionally, or do you notice yourself pushing or pursuing for emotional connection? Or do you notice a mixture of both at the same time? You can also notice what the other person is doing and saying that elicits these responses, and what you might say to yourself about the relationship yourself or the other person when that happens. I think those are all ways you can reflect to notice what your attachment strategy is.